warning, may contain strong language that may be upsetting to younger and other viewers.
Yeah, that depends if they're going to call the cops or not. If he's working, give him a because he came in too wide. But you can't really do it because that building is too close to the road. How can you turn and not,
Even so, you don't need to turn that wide.
Plus some of them coming too fast anyway.
Yeah.
I've seen people coming all over. I hope they figure it out.
I mean, people who cut corners, it just,
It looks like they worked it out.
yeah.
And see, turning without indicate.
Again, very wide, yeah.
Yeah, that building should have never ended. That was like one of those construction buildings and they decided to sell it, to rent it out.
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah. I say, I mean, there's plenty of room. They could have made it.
Exactly.
They could have brought it further.
He's wondering what's flashing at it.
Thanks for watching. Give a like, subscribe, follow on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Cheers. Be considerate. Be aware. Obey the rules of the road. Drive safely.